So STIHL produce a fantastic range of lubricants and cleaning agents. So I've got 4 in front of me in which I'm going to show you today. So we have the Multiclean, the Varioclean, the Multispray and the Superclean. So first up is Multiclean. It's a multi-purpose cleaning agent for oil residue, grass stains, dirt and resin. So you can use it on plastics, metal, rubber and painted surfaces, and is ideally suited for lawnmowers and robot mowers like the IMO. So you can either wash off the machine and spray it on and leave for 5 minutes and then use a brush to wipe it off, or spray it on, use a cloth to wipe it in and then use a damp cloth to wipe it off. Next up is Multispray. It's ideal for moving parts, so something like this chain here where you might store it up for a while. It resists corrosion and keeps everything lubricated. It comes in a couple of handy sizes, pressurized cans. All you do is spray it on. It creates a nice protective film. Any excess you can wipe off with a cloth. The next up is Superclean. It's a graphite and oil based spray which reduces resin, cleans your blades and lubricates. To use it is as simple as just spraying it onto the blades, both sides, leaving it on and running up the tool so it's nice and lubricated. Now this has got to be one of my favourites. This is Varioclean. It's an alkali based cleaning product designed specifically for air filters and engine housings. So again, it comes in a couple of handy sizes and is specifically designed to eat into that oil residue left behind from using your product. So to clean this HD2 air filter from STIHL, simply take it off the product, spray it on, and don't leave it on for any more than 5 minutes. You can just wash it off by putting it underneath the tap. Use an air compressor to get the worst out, or on a tank housing, spray it on, leave it for 5 minutes and wipe it off with a rag. Really stubborn dirt, just give it a bit of the treatment with a thick bristle brush. And again, just wipe it off. So that's 4 handy cleaning and lubricating sprays from STIHL to keep in your garage.